How to blur a background in story on Instagram. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your Instagram application, then tap on the plus icon. After that, go to story. Then swipe all the way to the end and here you will see browse effects option. Tap on it. And then search for background blur. After this, simply select any of these filters and use it in your story for blurring your background. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.